What's good, everybody? Today I'm going to be making a simple tutorial for people that want to generate subtitles. It's either for their own videos, or maybe they found some show, maybe it's in another language, maybe it doesn't have the subtitles. For me, by example, I watch a lot of reality TV shows, and the thing with those is most of the time some of them do not have subtitles. By example, Big Brother, or like older seasons of Survivor, or older seasons of everything, you know. So what done is basically create them myself. So I decided, this is gonna help people that want automatic subtitles for the videos, on YouTube, some tutorial videos, basically everything like that, right? So I'm not gonna be doing any editing here. I'm gonna be getting straight to the point. So I was listening to some music here. Don't mind that. Basically, what we're gonna do here is go and download Subtitle Edit, which is going to be the easiest way on how to basically access these modules without having too much of a hassle. And basically, what you're gonna do is go to nixie.dk/subtitle edit. All links will obviously be in the description below. By the time of recording, the website looks just like this. You're gonna click download the latest version of Subtitle Edit, and it's gonna bring you to the GitHub. You might as well just go to the GitHub, but it's gonna be easier if you do it like this. It has released 2 days ago. Might even have to update it myself, so that's gonna help. I usually go with the setup. So we're gonna be here downloading the setup, and what we're gonna do is open the setup as soon as it downloads onto our computer. Everything, you've done this before. You've done everything like this, right? You've installed applications before, and we're gonna be launching the Subtitle Edit. Subtitle Edit is the best application for subtitles in general. So the new subtitle Edit application looks like this. So what you're gonna do is, if you want subtitles, you're going to need the video downloaded on your computer. So as we can see here, uh, delete this. I don't need this anymore. As we see here, I have the Big Brother episode that just came out yesterday, episode 11 of the newest season. It doesn't have subtitles. So if you want to make subtitles for your own video, you will need to have the video file, or maybe if you want a movie or you want anything, you need a video file for this. So um, as you can see, I'm gonna open the video file. That's not what you need to do essentially, but you can, if you do it with a video file, you will be able to see um, the subtitle with the video. So I do that. So what we're gonna do next is go video and go speech to text. So what we're gonna see here by the engine is basically the AI module, not module, but the engine that is going to be making subtitles for us. You will need a fast machine. You do need a good GPU for this if you want good results, and if you want fast, and basically if you don't want to wait a whole day for one subtitle. So um, some of these modules require you to have a subscription to a specific AI, but the easiest is going to be, in my opinion, one of the most accurate. We're going to be going over the PureView Faster Whisper XXL, which is the Faster Whisper module. It's basically the Whisper module, but it's going to be generating subtitles, basically 5 to 10 times the average, right? So with the other modules, it requires more GPU, more RAM, basically power to make the subtitle, which might lead to better results. But I've noticed that this doesn't really change anything for me. There might be a few, like if someone's whispering or speaking in a different language, it might not get things right. But that's why you have Subtitle Edit to do the spell check and everything later if you really want the subtitles to be perfect. So this video I'm gonna be doing in English, which I'm guessing most of you will. So what you want to do is select the PureView Faster engine and click this button. And you're basically gonna have the download button here. Since I've already installed it, I don't need to, but it's basically going to install. You can choose the folder. It's gonna install the engine. You pick the input language, obviously English if the video is in English, and you can translate to English if it's not. Out of all these modules, these are the modules that will be generating the subtitle, listening to the audio, and basically doing everything. So the best module currently still for no matter which engine you use, it's still large V2. The large V3 module is not as good as large V2, and as of recording this video, the large V2 module, which is 2.9 gigabytes, is still the best module. So to download the module, you just click the three dots, pick your module, and click download. That's literally all you need to do. So after you've downloaded the module and the engine and the module, you should have the green buy whatever you downloaded. So if you have the green dot, that means everything is set in stone and done. So if you want to translate, you just click translate to English. Post processing, you can pick adjust timings, merge short lines, blah blah blah. We're not going to go over what this means for the subtitles. You can check that out yourself. This is just how to tutorial. In advanced settings, I don't mess with the advanced settings. I keep it on standard. So basically, what we're gonna, if you want to translate multiple videos, you can click batch mode and add multiple videos here. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna basically add the video file here, and what we're gonna do is click transcribe, and as you see, it's gonna start generating and transcribing the video. Um, if we wait here just a little bit, I might be able to show you where it starts generating the text of the video. So that's I'm gonna bring you back when that starts, basically. Welcome back. It has started finally transcribing, and as you can see, as right now, it really seems like perfect English, right? No mistakes as far as I know. Obviously, Big Brother has these terminologies like HOH, POV, and all that, so it might not get it, but even it still gets the HOH. Sometimes it gets the words wrong, sometimes it doesn't. You know, it's still not perfect, but this is subtitle edit. You basically can fact check and spell check your whole subtitle. So if you really want to, it's gonna be no hassle. So usually this could take like an hour if you use other modules, but with a Purview Faster Whisper, an hour or so of content, I would basically feel like will be done in around like 6 minutes. So if you want like a 6 minute YouTube video, it's gonna be done in like 1 minute or maybe like even 30 seconds. It really depends on your GPU. I have a 360 Ti, 8 gig of VRAM, only 16 gigs of RAM, and like Ryzen 5 CPU, so it's not the best PC. I bought this in 2021, end of 2021, and it's been going very good. So basically, that's it. That's all you need to do. This is the easiest method. You don't need to install any AI modules. You don't need any AI subscription. This is the easiest method on how to make subtitles, generate subtitles or text for your videos or any show or movie that you might want. Thank you for watching. All the links will be in the description. Make sure to subscribe, like, and write in the comment if you do want more tutorials on subtitle edit, subtitles, AI modules, anything really. And I'll try to make sure, if I know how to do those, I will make sure to upload them and try to help people as much as I can. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you guys in the next video.